Hi! With hundreds of pet shampoo choices available, I'm here to share with you that there is still only one shampoo solution that stands true. The Protekt Probiotic Animal Shampoo is the only animal shampoo with integrated living probiotics inside of the solution. This is what makes the Protekt Probiotic Shampoo the solution of choice for professional groomers and pet owners. Along with the basic cleaning and other frills of all animal shampoo, the Protekt Probiotic Infused Shampoo also goes as far as aiding in the healing and relief of skin issues that so many of our pets suffer from. Fur and skin is naturally cleansed for days after a bath, and that same probiotic activity is spread through your animal's bedding and anywhere else they come in contact with. Bad odors, pathogenic bacteria, and viruses are all reduced due to the new influx of disruptive Protekt probiotics inside the shampoo. Because the shampoo is so full of living probiotics, there are no toxins in the solutions that will kill the living probiotics, nor can the solution cause any other long-term issues that are linked to harsh chemicals, disinfectants, and artificial whiteners that are found in all of the other shampoos on the market today. So our solution is the solution. Visit protectonline.com to view the entire line of probiotic-infused animal products.